My name is Augusto Putra Krisyeluci. On this occasion, I would like to share my real-life experience regarding public service, the KTP or ID card application process. I once experienced it for public service when applying for a KTP. This occurred in June 2024. At the time, I went to the sub-district office and followed the procedures, taking a queue number, completing the documents, and waiting for my turn. However, the process was extremely slow and the officer seemed unresponsive. On the other hand, some people who arrived later were served first because they know the officer or used insider. Some even had their process moved quicker without waiting in long lines. This created a sense of justice disappointment and made people who followed the rules feel disadvantaged. Public service, which should be transparent and equal, turned into discriminatory. From this experience as public administration student, I learned that state officials must uphold bureaucratic and professionalism. Furthermore, the service system needs to be made clear and more supervised to prevent unfair practice in the future. As a prospective member of the Brewery, I realized the importance of being an official with integrity and oriented towards the interests of the community, not the interests of a particular individual or group. That's all my submission. Thank you for attention.